It gives me great pleasure to welcome all of you on behalf of the Priyadarshini Academy to our 16th anniversary and biannual awards, as well as our second international awards presentation function, which has been organized here today. Our venerable guests of honor, as well as various dignitaries, are already in our midst, and it's time to begin the proceedings. May I request all the distinguished and special guests who are to take their seats on the stage to kindly do so that we can continue with our proceedings. I can see some people already occupying. I'd like to speak out some of the names. In case they are in the audience, I'll request them to kindly come onto the stage. Shri Ashok Chavan, Shri Anil Deshmukh, Shri Gopinath Munde, Shri Ashok Patil. May I request all of you to kindly take your seats. Shri Adik Shirodkar, Mr. Chandar Maghnani, we also have our office bearers, Co-Chairman Mr. Murli Adnani, the two Vice Chairmen Shri Niranjan Hiranandani and Mr. Nayan Patel. I'd like them to kindly come onto the stage and take their places, please. Mr. Patel, Mr. Adnani, I'd like to take advantage of this opportunity to recognize and acknowledge the presence of some very good friends who have come all the way to be a part of this function. Mr. Vasu Rupani, Mr. G.B. Mahbubani, Mr. and Mrs. Ram Bakshani, Mr. and Mrs. Dayaldas Alvani, Mr. Lakhulullah. A warm welcome to all of them, besides all of you, ladies and gentlemen. And now that we are well assembled here, let us begin the proceedings in our own traditional and auspicious manner by giving light to the ceremonial brass lamp, an ancient Indian tradition which signifies the spread of wisdom, knowledge and goodwill throughout the length and breadth of the world. I'd like to request Priyadarshini Chairman Shri Nani Krupani to please escort our guest of honor Shri Suresh Prabhu to the auspicious lamp, and I will request Shri Prabhu to kindly do us the honor of giving light to this lamp of wisdom and knowledge. A special request to all the gentlemen who are busy taking photographs. You're requested to kindly squat and take the photographs because the audience cannot see what's happening on the stage if you create a wall in front of them. This is a humble request and I'm sure you'll accede to it. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm sure most of you can see what is happening on the stage, where our various dignitaries are giving a hand in the lighting of this auspicious lamp. And I'm sure this lamp of learning will spread its light far and wide. Thank you very much.